Got another cold start here. This is a chainsaw. It's a 20-inch Pulan Pro 295. So let's start this up. It's going to be a cold start also. See if she'll run. Full choke. On. Oh, she starts. Whoops. Let's try this again. There you have it, my Pulan Pro. There's my Pulan Pro chainsaw. Gotta go cut some wood later, so I thought of making a video. So there you go, another cold start for today. And there's that thing. We can do a little update real quick. Since that one video messed up when I uploaded it, I did do some work to this tractor. I put a clutch on it instead of a little thing that makes it go fast and slow right there. So it goes good now. It runs pretty junky still, but oh well.